Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. The medkit must have bandages, antiseptic, and any required consumables. Open your inventory and equip the medkit to a quick slot so you can reach it during stress. Once done, check cooldown and weight limits. Failing those will slow use. You want the item ready now, not mid-combat. Make sure you understand what each component does so you know why you're prioritizing this medkit over other items when seconds count. You apply the medkit by selecting the quick slot and using the primary action, holding if the game supports fast apply. While you heal, watch your health bar and wound icons. Some wounds need specific treatment and will interrupt generic healing. Once antiseptic is applied, follow immediately with bandages to lower infection risk and improve regeneration. This order matters. Also, make sure to reposition behind cover while healing to avoid stagger or interruption, because being exposed often wastes the whole process. You finish by ensuring the final ticks of healing complete before moving. Stash the medkit or switch to a lighter item to reset cooldown and manage encumbrance. If you get interrupted mid-heal, make sure to reapply antiseptic first on the next attempt because it prevents infection stacking and slows damage over time. One troubleshooting tip. If healing fails repeatedly, check for status effects like bleeding or stun that block medkit use. Remove those effects or use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.